In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust accounts payable in QuickBooks using a journal entry. Whether you're reconciling an invoice or correcting an accounting error, understanding this process is essential for keeping your financial records accurate. Let's dive in. First, head over to the QuickBooks website. Look for the sign in button, usually at the upper right corner of the page. Once you click it, select QuickBooks Online from the options available. This is where all the tools you need for managing your accounting are located. Next, enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, then click Continue. This will take you straight to your QuickBooks dashboard. With the dashboard open, it's time to create a new transaction. Look for the plus create button on the left-hand side. Clicking it will show a list of options. Choose journal entry from this list. On the journal entry screen, the first thing to set is the journal date. Double check this carefully as accurate dates are crucial for proper record keeping. Next, move to the account column and select the specific account affected by the invoice. This could be an expense account, revenue account, or any other relevant account. Once the account is selected, enter the appropriate amount in the debit column. Don't forget the description field. Type in the reason for this journal entry. This provides important context for anyone reviewing your records later. Now, for the second line of the entry, select accounts payable, AP, from the account drop-down list. This tells QuickBooks that the adjustment relates to a bill you owe. In the name column, choose the correct vendor from the drop-down list. Selecting the right vendor ensures your payable obligations are accurately reflected. Finally, review all the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, click Save and Close. This applies your journal entry to the accounts payable ledger, keeping your records up to date and accurate, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted your accounts payable using a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, accuracy is key in accounting. It ensures your financial decisions are based on the right information. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.